This is how to get the perfect fit when using Kanga Care's Prefolds and using the Jelly Roll Fold, a Snappie, and a Kanga Care one-size cover. Kanga Care's Prefolds come in 4 sizes. In this demonstration, we are using a size 3 Prefold for a baby weighing 12 to 25 pounds. This is the Jelly Roll Fold. Get your Prefold ready by laying it flat on your Kanga Care changing pad. Begin by rolling in one vertical side of the Prefold to the center. Hold the roll with one hand and do the same inward roll on the opposite side. Once both sides are rolled into the center, fan out the back of the Prefold while holding the front so it stays rolled together. The back of the Prefold should now be flat against the changing pad. This is where your little one's bottom is going to go. The Jelly Roll Fold is beneficial because the rolls create a gusset to keep solid or runny messes contained inside the Prefold. This is especially good for newborns as they have some of the runniest poop. Once your little one is laying on the Prefold, you may have to re-roll the bottom rolls back in a bit. Pull the rolled Prefold up between little one's legs. Next, unroll the top so that it opens up and fans out around the waist of your little one, like wings. Here is a tip for using Prefolds. Place the Snappie under the edge of the Kanga Care changing pad so little hands cannot grab it as the teeth are sharp. Taking one side of the Prefold in the back, wrap this wing around your little one, pulling it forward along their side. Once pulled forward, hook the Snappie to that wing of the Prefold. Repeat this action on the opposite side, stretching the Snappie across the front of the Prefold and firmly securing the hooks in the opposite Prefold wing. Once both sides are secured with the Snappie, pull the center of the Snappie down and secure in the Prefold between your little one's legs. Next, it is time to put on the Kanga Care cover, which is your waterproof protective outer layer. Double check your cover to ensure you have it on the correct size setting for your little one. Place the cover under your little one and their freshly pre-folded bottom. The cover needs to be high enough on their back so it covers the top back edge of the Prefold. Grab the cover at the wall gussets and tuck it into the creases of the legs while you pull up, making sure the elastic is right in the little one's underwear line and that the Prefold stays tucked in. Pull the tab over and secure it by snapping it in place to the front of the cover. Do the same on the opposite side. After the Kanga Care cover is fastened, make sure the top front elastic comes up over the Prefold and covers it. The next step you do not need to do if your cover is fully unsnapped and on the largest size. If your cover is snapped down on one of the smaller sizes, you want to make sure that the fabric, which is folded over when the cover is snapped down, is pushed up. You can smooth out this fabric on the front by pushing the material that is under the snaps upward with your fingers or thumbs. As a final step, just check that your Prefold is completely covered and tucked inside the diaper cover as the legs back and front. You will also want to make sure that all your little one's leg rolls are on the outside of the cover, not trapped inside. Your little one is now ready to go. If more assistance is needed for fit and function, please reach out to hello@kangacare.com.